Today we're gonna make this super easy traditional Greek cabbage salad. To get started on making our cabbage salad, I'm gonna use a half a head of cabbage. And we're gonna use this, we're gonna cut out the core here. With our knife, we're gonna shred our cabbage. So I'm gonna start here on the end, just closely cutting it. Now with these big pieces of our cabbage, I'm gonna cut it again in half. And this, really, a half a head of cabbage makes a lot of salad. This is such an easy side dish, and it pairs so well with almost any protein. I personally love it with fish, but you can pair this with a great poultry too. We're gonna cut that in half, add that to our bowl. Look at that. Next, we're gonna shred a carrot. So for the carrot, I'm gonna use a grater. It's about a cup of shredded carrot. So in Greece, this salad is really easy to make because most people grow carrots and cabbage, so it's pretty easy and it has minimal amount of ingredients. So what we're gonna do is, we have our carrots and our cabbage here. So now I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of salt, and I'm gonna do this before I do our dressing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the salt to the cabbage and the carrots, and I'm gonna use clean hands to kind of massage together the salt with the cabbage, and it's actually gonna release juices. You're gonna see that it starts getting a little bit wet before I even add the olive oil and lemon. And it really brings out the flavor. So doing this is actually gonna also tenderize the cabbage, so it's a little bit softer and easier to eat, because it's a little bit hardy when you chop it up. It's a little hard, so this is gonna tenderize that this way. So once we've massaged that together, I'm gonna wash my hands and add the dressing. So next we're gonna add pepper. We're just gonna do about a half a teaspoon of pepper to that. And we're gonna do 1 lemon. So for this lemon, I'm gonna just put it right in the juicer. We don't have to mix this together. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon right over the, oh, this is a really juicy lemon. Look at all of that. And next, our olive oil. We're gonna do 1/3 cup of olive oil. We're gonna mix this together and our salad's ready. So simple, so easy, great dish. I can't wait for you guys to try this. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.